大家好，欢迎来到 Go Chinese Class。这里我们要学习 HSK 一级。HSK 一级一共有150个字。Hello everyone, welcome to Go Chinese Class. Here we are going to study HSK Level 1. HSK Level 1 has 150 words. 第一部分名词 Part 1 Nouns 家 Home 我家在中国 My home is in China. 我去朋友家 I go to friend's home. 学校你的学校在哪儿 Where is your school? 我的学校很好 My school is very good. 饭店 Restaurant. 这个饭店很大 This restaurant is very big. 中国饭店在哪儿 Where is Chinese restaurant? 商店 Shop. 他在商店工作 He works in shop. 我在商店买东西 I buy things in the shop. 医院 Hospital. 这是北京医院 This is Beijing Hospital. 大夫在医院工作 Doctor works in hospital.